welcome to today's recipe, which is a one pot wonder. You're going to find all of the ingredients listed in my one pot wonder Ninja Foodi cookbook, and I'm sure you're going to find it simple and easy to follow. All of these recipes are super easy to create. One Pot Wonders is about making amazing food in one pot that uses several of the functions and different methods to get the most out of your Ninja Foodi. And of course, with the least effort possible. What I love about all of these recipes is that they are inclusive. And this means that you won't need to be cooking your rice elsewhere or putting your hob on to cook your vegetables. These truly are full meals made in your Ninja Foodi. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button for me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well if you haven't already. Let's get into today's one pot wonder, and I hope you really enjoy this. So this recipe requires a little bit of prep, but I promise you it is worth it because it's then going to be a really fast one pot steam meal. And this is beautiful. It is my battered sesame chicken with rice, and also we've got some beautiful vegetables in a lovely Chinese style sauce. It's really, really tasty, this. So let's start off with our sauce and our vegetables. So in here I have got a small piece of ginger that has been chopped up. I'm going to be using garlic granules rather than fresh garlic. But if not, you can use like a clove of garlic and you can just crush that in. So around a teaspoon of garlic granules is what I'm going to use. I want some tomato ketchup, some lovely sesame oil, which is just so good. Love the flavour of that. Want some soy sauce, and if you're gluten-free, then use a tamari. If not, a light soy sauce or dark soy sauce, either really works in my opinion. So just measure that in. Just a small amount of brown sugar just to balance this out. And then also some honey. Give that a nice mix, and then we will get our vegetables into here. So I've chosen to go with some frozen edamame beans, and then underneath that I've got some pepper and some carrots. You can change this up. It doesn't have to be these vegetables, but I do find that they work pretty nicely with this dish. So we're using the Ninja Bakeware set. As always, you know I love this set. So that is all we need in there. Then I'm going to use the lid. This is the crisper plate, and that works as a lid. So it's not necessarily the lid, but it is the crisper plate that does work in that way. And we can put our chicken on top of there. So I'm going to layer that up on the rack, and that is ready to go. Now in the bottom of my pot, I'm going to be putting in my stock, and I've got chicken stock because we're cooking chicken. Makes the most sense to me. I'm just going to wait a minute before I put my rice in. Let's make our chicken and get that done, and then we can layer everything up. Now my chicken breast has been marinating, so that is 2 chicken breasts in there. I've got in there soy sauce, mirin, oyster sauce, a little bit of white pepper, some corn flour, and an egg, and that has been covered up in my fridge for an hour or so. So that is ready to now go into my flour, and this is what's going to create our batter for us. So I've got here a mixture of corn flour and plain flour. Now you can use gluten-free flour for this if you want to or need to, and I've literally seasoned that with some white pepper and a little bit of salt. Let's just add a little bit of our salt in as well. Now let's grab a piece of chicken and literally toss it around in that flour. This is going to give us a beautiful coating to our chicken, and when this is cooked on steam meals, it will be gorgeous. So I need to repeat this process with all of these pieces of chicken. So let's get them in. We're going to have more marinade in here than we actually need. But that chicken, I mean, you can see the colour of the chicken has changed because it has been literally sitting in that lovely sauce. So much flavour. Okay, so just give this a good toss. Then this is going to sit on the crisper plate and be ready to be cooked. I love a steam meal. Sometimes, you know, there is a little bit of prep involved in this, but I do think a steam meal is really a fabulous one-pot wonder, in my opinion. They are more and more versatile. I'm learning so much. I'm creating more and more exciting steam meals as we go along because I'm working out, you know, how that can be done and how we can create and make the most out of it, get the most flavour. Doesn't have to be just boring, you know, boiled potatoes, veg and a bit of meat. You know, we are creating some really great meals here. Okay, so that chicken is nearly coated. Just pulling it apart really just to make sure it's got all of that on the edge. Okay, so let's move in with the crisper plate and then just layer this up with your chicken. I will spray this with a little bit of just Fry Light, you know, just low calorie spray oil as well. But this should go beautifully crispy in the time that we've got. The rice will be cooked to perfection underneath. Those vegetables in the sauce will work really well. It's going to give us lots of flavour. And then at the end, I'm going to top this with some sesame seeds as well. You can garnish it with whatever you like. Okay, last few bits of chicken. It is getting a little bit crowded. That is the only thing. Last piece. Look, that has gone on there pretty perfectly, hasn't it? Not too bad at all. I'm tipping in my rinsed rice. Just spread that out in the bottom there. Lowering over the rack. So we now have 3 tiers of food going in. As I said, a little bit of spray oil over the chicken. Lovely, I think that's well coated. And let's get the lid down and let's get that cooking on steam meals. Time is up, let's open up the lid. Wow, look at that chicken. That is beautifully crispy. Now, as you can see here, I've got my meat thermometer. And by the way, anything that I use in my videos, you know, from the Ninja Bakery set to the thermometer, they're all linked on my website so that if you want to buy one of the accessories, you can copy and get something that you know is going to work well for you. So I just like to double check my chicken. I knew it was going to be fine. I don't know why I check it really. It's just always good to be sure, isn't it? Anyway, that is most definitely cooked. So let's lift that out, being careful. We'll have a look at the vegetables in a minute. Let's have a close-up of my rice. Lovely, look at that. Really, really fluffy. Soaked up that stock. That looks beautiful. Gonna leave that sitting there for a moment. So let's just take the sides down, remove the crisper plate with the chicken and have a look at our veggies and sauce. Beautiful. So we've got enough sauce in there that it's kind of a little bit runny. Now you've got options really. You can add your chicken into here and coat the chicken. You can just add the vegetables and sauce on top of the rice and then add the crispy chicken on top. Really up to you how you want to do that. I'm kind of indecisive really on how I want to do it. I'm going to just have a look at a piece of chicken though before we do anything. Oh, that's hot. Have a look at the inside of that chicken. Gorgeous, so moist. Let's have a little taste. Let's dip it in a little bit of the sauce. Oh, yummy. This, it has the flavours and textures of a takeaway, but we made it healthier. We made it at home. We made it fast in the Ninja Foodi. This one pot wonder is a real winner. I'm going to enjoy my dinner tonight. Here is my steam meal completed. We've got the beautiful fluffy rice on the bottom, vegetables in that gorgeous sauce. It is so tasty. And then, of course, crispy chicken topped with sesame seeds. I really hope you give this a try. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe as well if you're new to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching.